Hi guys and girls, great to see you again online. In this section here, 15 divided by 15, which equals 1, and 12 divided by 12 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 15 divided by 15 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 12 divided by 12, and we can write this part as 1 over 12 divided by 12. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 12 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 12, which equals 1 over 144. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next video.